in this video I am going to explain you from same unit in 11 concept of government revenue and sources of government revenue. So first let me explain about concept of government revenue. So when we talk about government revenue means we are talking about income of government revenue. So it says that government also collects its incomes from different sources. So the income that collects government from different sources, that is known as government revenue, and the system and the process and the principle that usually government apply to collect that incomes, that also comes under the concept of government revenue. And it is said that usually government also has to carry out many developmental work. It also has to run administration of the nations. So to do these all activities, government needs some expenditures, or government has to do some expenditure. So to carry out those expenditure, government needs some money, government needs some income. So that income government collect to carry out all this activity, that comes under government revenue. So the main objective of learning about government revenue means how the government revenue can be increased, or how people income can be increased, so that government income also can be increased. So that is the main objective of learning government revenue. So now next point, sources of government revenue. So when we talk about sources of government revenue means from where government can collect its revenue. From where government can collect its revenue. So now usually government can collect its revenue from three sources. So number one is tax revenue, number two is non-tax revenue, and number three is foreign grant. Now it is said that you all know what is tax. I think tax is the compulsory payment which the public should make to the payment to the governments. So that tax which the public should pay to the government, that is also income of the government. So now when we talk about tax revenue means there are many types of taxes which the government collects from the publics. Especially when we talk about tax means there are two types of tax, direct tax and indirect tax. So direct tax means which usually the taxpayer, they themselves go to the tax office and pay that tax, is known as direct tax. And when we talk about indirect tax means the tax which usually the taxpayer don't go to the tax office. It is paid by the others, but actual taxpayer there. Suppose when you buy a cigarette, inside the cigarette there is some tax added, but that tax doesn't directly pay by the smokers. Who will pay that tax? Cigarette factory will pay, but that tax will be added in the prices of cigarette. So when that tax amount will be added in the prices of cigarettes, so actual payment of that tax is cigarette smokers or cigarette consumers. So such type of tax are called what tax? Indirect tax. So this type of tax which are compulsory should be paid by the public to the government, they are known as what? Tax revenue. So on the tax revenue, now it comes custom duty. Now one is what duty? Custom duty. So when we talk about custom duty means usually in the case of trade, when the goods are exported and imported from one country to another country, every country they also have in their borders some custom office. In Nepal it's called Bhansar, custom office. So over there what means, according to the quantity, according to the volume of goods, some tax are collected by the traders. So that tax which is collected by the traders, there is also income of the governments. Now there are also some tax usually government collects while consumptions, while selling goods. So usually what means, when consumers they buy some products, like usually when they buy some luxury products, at the time also some tax are collected. And like when the producer sells some goods within its own boundary, some excise duty are there. So while selling some products, some sales tax are there, VAT are there. So such type of tax is also tax of the government, and that is collected by the government. They are also what? Income of the government. Now next is paying what? Land tax, registration tax. So what means, government also collects tax from the landowner. Everywhere government also collects some tax from the landowner, plus while selling that land, to register that land also, government collects some tax. So these are direct tax. These are also income of the governments. These are also income of the governments. And next it is said that tax on property or tax on profit. So at present what happens, when the government also collect tax from the producers or from the business persons when they make more profit, because at present those institutions which are registered under the government, so when they carry out some business activity, by carrying out those business activity, if they make profit, from that profit also they should pay some amount to the government as a tax. So that is the income of the governments. And government also collect tax on some property, like if people have land, from that land also they collect tax. If they have house, from that house also they have collect tax. So these are the tax which the government people should pay to the government. So these are all income of government from tax side. Now non-tax revenue. Non-tax revenue means like what? They also tax. So there are also some income which government collects from people, not in the form of tax, but they are on another side, like fees. So fees. Now government also collects fees from the public by providing different types of social service, like government collect fee from education sector, from health sectors. Government also collects some fee while providing driving license, mountaineering license, so many other license, gun license. So by giving this type of license facility, government collects some fee. So these are also income of the government. Now penalty, fines. Now you said that government also sometimes collects some fines from the publics when they carry out some criminal activities, when they do crimes. When they do some illegal activity, from there also what happens, government collects some fines from the publics, so that criminal also will not do more crimes in futures, so that there will be decrease in crime also, illegal activity also. On the other side, it will also be income of the governments. Next, estates. Estate means usually what means, it is said that government also collect the property of those persons who has no legal inheritance. It basically means there are also some property of publics who has no own son and daughter. So legally they have no own son and daughters. So there is no, after they are there is no honor of that property due to lack of son and daughter, due to lack of their cousins. So in such cases, the government collect that property of such persons. So that also becomes the income of government. So, and next, talking about betterment levy, special thing or what? Levy or extra charge by providing better services or betterment services. Now you said that in some places government they have done more construction, they have provided more facility for the publics, they have built out proper roads, bridges, canals, and they have provided better service to the people of that areas. So by providing better service to the people of that area, government charges some extra incomes, or government charges some extra charge to the people of that area. So that extra charge which usually government charges to the peoples, that is also income of governments. Now next it is like what? Income from public properties. Now there are also some property which is holding by the governments. Now usually government they are running many types of public limited companies. So when those public limited companies are running, if the profit earned by those public limited company, that is also income of the governments. And plus government also have some property if those property are sold, by selling those property, if any income is received, any money is received by the government, then also the income of the government. So this all comes from the non-tax revenue. Now foreign grant means at present, usually developing country, they receive some foreign grant, or they receive some donation from the foreign countries, usually developed countries. And many the developed countries, they also have tendency of helping to the developing countries. Sometimes when it comes difficulty to carry out some activity of the governments, and sometimes what happens, there will be less budget to run the academic years or to run the fiscal years. So due to less budget, what happens, sometimes developing country, they also receive some grant, some donation from the foreign country. So that grant or donation which the developed country receive from developed country, there is also income of the government. So today in this video I have explained you about concept of government revenue. So I have explained you what is government revenue, and sources of government revenue means how the government revenue is collected, or how government income is collected from different sources. So you will find your photo also in your groups. Okay, this is for today. Thank you all of you.